Hey guys, I'm Natasha and I'm hitting you live slash pre-recorded at DIF Cards NYC. Fortunately, my phone and my camera's acting up, so I have to photo booth this. So excuse the midsection. Usually it's just my hands. So yeah, we're gonna get to it, and this is what we're opening up today. The 2023-24 NBA Trading Cards Panini Mosaic. Now we have numbered. We can get a numbered Wimby, and some other cool stuff. Not sure. I'm an amateur at this. I just started doing this. I've been doing videos with my I would say he's my partner in crime at Diff Cards NYC, Sean. So like we usually open boxes together. He helps me out, but this is my first time doing it by myself, so please bear with me. All right, so I'm gonna speed this up because unfortunately people don't like long videos sometimes. I don't know, but so let's open this up. And I forgot the scissors, guys. Wow. Oh my gosh. You gotta excuse me. I can't do it. I feel like a cat scratching it. Let's get the corner. And yeah, so I'm new to this. You know, we have an eBay store. We have 3 different stores. Mine's is different, which it has a lot of different things from cards to CDs to pretty much any random thing. The other, we have a Raw Cards, eBay, and then we also have PSA graded cards. Alright, so here it goes. There's 6 packs, and let's get going. I don't have gloves on today. My blue gloves. Alright. I'm not the neatest person. Okay. So let's open this baby up. I should have some music playing in the back, but copyrights, I don't want to get into no trouble. Alright. Oh. Alright. El Dort. I don't know how to pronounce this name right here. He's from Thunder. OKC. Okay. I don't know him really well. Malcolm Brogdon from Blazers. These are all base cards. Jamal Murray. Okay. Forgive me. Fred Van Vliet. Okay. This is so awkward. Excuse me. Oh, I like this guy here. Jay Morant. This is pretty cool. And, oh, Jamie Jaquez Jr. I remember getting this guy in one of the other boxes. So no numbered, no SIG. We have this one here. This is our Prism. It reminds me of Christmas. Okay. Next pack. Okay. We have Josh Richardson from Miami. Base card. Let me just put these here. We have Cameron Johnson from Brooklyn. Forgive me guys, if you have any pointers, I'll learn as I go. We all do that, right? Jordan Clarkson from Utah. A base card. Jalen Williams from OKC. A base card. Shiny. Okay, we got Paul George. We have a prism here. This is pretty cool. Big bobblehead. I like this. Paul George. And then we have Jay Morant again. City edition. Alright, so no number yet. We got 2 prisms. Let's see. Come on, box. Make it interesting. Well, I should say God, make it interesting. The box is just a box. Okay. Gabe Vincent from Los Angeles Lakers. I gotta get back on watching some NBA. I mean, you can't really. This camera sucks. You guys gotta excuse me for this one. Jose Alvarado from New Orleans Pelicans. Regular base. Malik Beasley from Milwaukee Bucks. Base card. Malik Monk from Sacramento Kings. Regular base card. Okay. Ooh, this is... What? We got a Jonathan Kuminga. Golden State Warriors. Okay. Prism. This is pretty cool. It's really nice. It's like stars. You see that? You're getting sleepy. Okay. This is exciting. Okay. This is really exciting. Okay. Glad I got something good. Alright. Dark Whitehead. Okay, Brooklyn Nets. Sorry. Bad at pronouncing names. The E's, the A's, the shorts, the longs. I don't know these days. So, shall we try again? I like that Kuminga's. That's nice. Really nice. It's pretty. I think Sean will be excited. Bruce Brown, Toronto Raptors. Okay. Base card. Franz Wagner. Base card. Larry Markkanen. Base card. He's from where? I gotta get to know these players again. Utah Jazz. He kind of looks like the Cupid statue. The hair. Alright, this is just a joke. Okay, please. We got Anthony Edwards. We got an Anthony Edwards City edition. This one's real nice. It's a prism, guys. We got Kuminga's and Anthony. I love it. Ooh, and look who's right behind. LeBron James. Bronny. Oh, actually, that's not Bronny. That's senior. And here's Jordan Hawkins. You gotta excuse me. From New Orleans Pelicans. It's just a regular base card, rookie base card. Okay. Okay, I think we're doing great. I mean, maybe we're not in someone else's eyes, but I feel like I am. I'm excited. We got Anthony. We got Jonathan. I mean, that made my pack, my box. Patrick Williams from Chicago, base card. It's nice, the red and silver. Okay, we got Jaylen Brown, base card. Quentin, the G. I like this. Base card. Mike Conley, Minnesota Timberwolves, base card. Purple is nice. Chris Levert from Cleveland Cavaliers. Wait a minute, this is a prism. It is very rainbowy, like Noah's Ark. Ooh, I love it. Put this to the side. And we have Derek Lively II, base card from Dallas. I promise I will get to know these guys better. So that, oof, you gotta excuse. Oh no, can't show you guys the cards looking like that. Gotta place them in order. Gotta be neat. Okay, and this is the last pack. Let's get it, guys. Okay. Let's see. It glitched. I have no idea what just happened, but let's see what this last pack has. All right, y'all. What time it is? What time it is? I don't know. We got Body Portis from Milwaukee Bucks. I like that green. It's nice. Emerald. Ooh, we got a Kevin Durant, y'all. Just regular base card. Very interesting. We got Jeremy Sochan. Forgive me for saying it wrong. Terrible. I'm terrible. We have Precious Achiuwa. I don't know. Forgive me. Precious A from the New York Knicks. Okay, I'm forever a Knicks fan. That's what happens when you are a New Yorker. You are forever embedded and bound to the Knicks. It's just something we do. All right, so we have Zach Levine. This is our Christmas prism fill. I just say Christmas because it really does. The green and the red. I mean, it's probably something really special. Forgive me. I just, the coloring. It's a bit tacky, but it's a prism. And the last, Tyrese Halliburton City Edition, Indiana's Pacers. The last card. So guys, we got no numbered cards, but we got some cool base cards. I got to get to learn these rookies, and we got these babies. We got Zach. We got Karis. Oh my gosh, forgive me. Prism. It's from the Cleveland Cavaliers. All right, I'm doing too much. Sorry. We got Anthony Edwards. I love this guy. He's just special. You just know when somebody's special. He's special. It's just his aura. Like, he's just different. All right. And Jonathan. Oh. Okay, why did I show my mouth by accident? I don't know what this guy. I love this card right here. This is the beautiful one right here. And we have Paul George. Awesome. And we have one more. Fred VanVleet. Okay. Different last name. I love the extremely different last names. Very unique. We can go from like Anthony Edwards to Levert to VanVleet. I guess that's how you pronounce it. But guys, so I think that box was decent. We got Jonathan. Hey, we got Anthony Edwards. I think that right there, Paul George, those were winners. I mean, it wasn't fantastic, but it was great. It was awesome spending time with you guys. I'm an amateur at this, so one of these days I'll be more professional. Forgive me. I'm still learning, and I thank you guys for tuning in. And we just want to give a big shout out to all the viewers that take the time to actually watch this video. We thank you. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Much love from Different Cards NYC to you. Bye.